I should have started this a lot sooner, but as you can see, I am dyeing my hair, and it did lavender, and I really wanted to show you what happened. I'm gonna show you like before my hair, so like this is how blonde it was. The after, which is what you'll see soon. I don't even know what the after looks like yet, so I just wanted to change up my look, and we'll see what happens. All right, you ready for the reveal? Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Teresa Campbell. I do all things food, fashion, and fitness, and today I guess I'm doing some beauty. I just wanted to share this product with you. If you were interested in dyeing your hair another color, having it just last for a few washes, something that doesn't damage your hair, I used this. It's called, whoa, I almost threw it at you. Davines Alchemic Creative Conditioner for blondes or lightened hair. So unless you're super blonde, and I mean like not a dirty blonde at all, but super blonde, or your hair is lightened, I will recommend it for you people. But if your hair is like mine and it did not take for the first top half, that top half is my natural hair color that doesn't have any lightening, so it did not take to that at all. But I really love how it turned out. It turned out so good. It's exactly what I wanted. I just wanted something for fun, nothing that was going to damage my hair or cost me a ton of money. I bought this bottle, I think I paid $36. I had a friend who is a stylist get it for me. I think that you can have like other stylists do it, or maybe you can even buy it online. I'll have to look and see if it's on Amazon. If it is, I will link it below, or wherever I find it, I'll link it below. Don't mind my one fingernail. I can't get this off. It's a gel and it's stuck. So I'm just kind of waiting until it'll like peel off. But I highly recommend it. Like I said, works on lightened hair, but not natural, not like natural hair. So you do want to have a little bit of damage in order for it to take. But it's fun, it smells nice. I guess it depends upon the person. Some people may think it stinks, but I thought it smelled okay. You put it in your hair, the best results, you put it in your hair when it's dry. I used gloves and I just kind of like worked it through my hair, sectioning off sections and working it through. I didn't use a brush or anything, but make sure you use gloves or your hands will turn purple. It was super easy. I did it to myself. All I did, I just wore like a black sports bra, threw it in, let it sit. I think you let it sit for like 5 to 7 minutes. I think I let it sit for like 15 to 20 because I didn't read the instructions, but nothing bad happened. We're still here. Everything's okay. But yeah, it's super fun. And you can always share a bottle with someone as long as you have short hair. If you have super long hair and thick hair, you'd probably want to use a whole bottle. I used just under half. Like I think I used about a third, so I maybe have 2 more uses in here. And you can freshen it up. So like if I wash it a few times and it fades, I can just throw in some more and revive it. Do not throw it in your hair when it's wet because it's not gonna absorb as much and you're not gonna get as colorful of an effect. So I know that they do have a rose gold color and they had another one. I just don't remember what. My computer's being funny. I'll put the color down below what they have, but they have 3 pastels and then they have some other ones that are a darker color. But I hope that if you're interested in trying to dye your hair purple, you give it a shot and it should just fade out pretty easily. Tell you what, I will not post this video until I have a few washes. How about that? And then I can let you know. Because I did, once upon a time, dye my hair purple with some product that I got at Target. And let's just say it lasted weeks. It did not fade pretty. It did not fade pretty. I cannot say what it was because I signed a waiver saying that I wouldn't say talk bad about the brand. I think they fixed the formula, so hopefully it's not an issue anymore. The company did give me some money to get my hair fixed because it was stuck a little bit green. They gave me $100, granted, to get it fixed. It cost me like $200, but I was planning to get my hair done anyways, so it did help cover a little bit of that cost. This one, I'm hoping we don't have that problem. I don't think we will because I don't see those undertones in there at all. Yeah, I feel pretty confident with this one. And it's just fun. It's like a silvery purple. I don't know what kind of lighting it looks like. It's pretty dark out, so I'm just using my ring light that I got on Amazon. I'm happy, and I think it's cute, and it's a fun change. I haven't had my hair done since last year, 2019, professionally, like lightened or anything. I think I'm gonna go dark again, so I didn't want to damage my hair anymore. I'm trying to just get it to grow back out. This was a fun thing to do without hurting it or spending a ton of money, so. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in more beauty stuff, well, actually, I'm just gonna do it anyways because there's a few things that I really love and I wanna share with you. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.